Looking for an all-in-one solution for background audio? You've come to the right place. Introducing the INTUWORX PAA42 from Intusonic Commercial Audio Systems, a dual-output stereo preamplifier with media player. Media replay options include LINKOUSTIC wireless audio streaming, USB thumb drive input, FM, AM and DAB plus radio location depending, front mount 3.5mm TRS input for external media hookup options, dual microphone and rear mount RCA inputs, all easily selectable from the press of a button. Be it outside or inside, the PAA42 has you covered with two independently controlled outputs configurable in either mono or stereo. External control for the master output via an optional wall panel extends the uses for the PAA42 from conference suites to houses of worship, and to gyms, where instructors can make full use of the adjustable talkover feature. Finally, a full emergency input-output section ensures compliance for all commercial-grade installations. For full product information, visit www.intusonic.com.